This is our 13th celebration of GIS in Fairfax County. This year we've done it a little differently than the past. We had focused everything on one day, but this year we decided to take GIS out to our county agencies with what we call a GIS technology tour. So we actually set up in the 3 government buildings here as well as South County and taken GIS and explained it to people and shown them what it could do, and it's really been a good outreach. Today is really the high point for us because we have our GIS Excellence Awards. Here, different county agencies can submit maps and descriptions of how they're using GIS to further their work for the county, to leverage the county's investment to bring better capabilities, better services to the county. We have 47 different submissions in our awards contest today. 50 different individuals are involved. 17 agencies, all have participated. They've taken the effort to map it out so that we can better understand what they're doing. And it's interesting to think back, 13 years ago, 1999, people probably didn't even know what GPS was. And I bet today, most everybody has an idea what it is. They didn't have smartphones with GPS either, but today they do. Well, the county's been working on GPS type data, spatial data, for over 12 years, into our 13th year. And it's really starting to leverage that, bring better services, better ability to understand what's going on in the county than we ever had before.
Thank you for your creativity. I am always wowed by the things that we are able to do online, the things that we were able to do for our citizens. And one of my favorite things is actually being able to show information about Tyson's transformation, and also being able to show information about the Rail to Dulles project. It's really important to be able to invite our community, invite our citizens into the process so that they understand what's going on. Knowledge is power, and people feel well served when they're able to see how our county is serving them.